What's up, all? Back to the Humvee. So, we had a problem with this Humvee. Speedometer not working. And, sorry, it's the only time I could work on it right now. And it's hard to see, but after getting under there and checking where the speedometer hooks up to the transmission, I've discovered that the actual speedometer cable snapped inside of the sleeve. So what we have here is a new cable. I'm really hoping it's the right one because it seems kind of short, but I don't know. There's the cable. And it goes from inside here, which, let me see if I can, let me get a light. Got a few things here. Alright, that's better. So here's our speedometer cable. We have it coming out through here, which is in the firewall, and then going under and right over to the transmission. So I'm going to try to pull this thing out and swap it out. It's pretty straightforward. Take you in here. These 4 screws come out and your whole panel comes out. I did diagnose my gauge problem. What happened was the gauge was bad. I basically swapped it out with one of the other gauges I had on one of the other Humvees, but I did buy a brand new one because I want to have a brand new one in this truck. And I should probably get a brand new gauge for the battery because it is looking pretty rough. I hate it when you can't see. So let me work on that and let's get it done. It is a 5/16 driver. It's pretty easy with a basically unscrew it from behind. I had it a little loose because I had to check it anyway. It's right here. And then we got to pull it through. take you under the truck so you can see where it hooks up. And by this point, there's probably a few YouTubers out there that have already shown you, but I'll show you also. So here's your transmission hookup. Obviously it's not here because I just yanked it, but it screws right into there, and it follows just underneath here. So I'm just going to pull it out. I mean, I've been test driving the truck because I just recently got it registered and insured, but I've been driving it to basically see what other issues I have with it that I need to address. And it kind of sucks not having a speedometer. You don't know how fast you're going, so I'd put it on Waze, the Waze app, and just let the GPS on Waze app tell me how fast I was going. So, not a big deal, but it sucks not having a working gauge. And I think I'm caught on something here. What am I caught on? Oh, got it through. All right. Come on. There we go. Right by the generator. All right. And there she is. I'm going to line them up next to each other because I want to make sure. Give me a second. That's the right one. Oh no. This looks way short. I don't understand. Well, I'm going to see if I can make this work. I don't know. It might be too short. I'm going to start on the bottom. Work my way up, I guess. I don't know. Shoot. So note to self, make sure you guys know what size length it is. I thought all these Humvees were about the same, but this was advertised as a M998, and this is a M1045, so I don't know, maybe between the M998 and the 1045 or 43 they changed the length of the speedo cable. Let me see if I can make this work. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so not 100% proper, but instead of ordering another longer cable and going through the hassle of having to return this one and all that, I went ahead and drilled a hole through the firewall here on the top side to get it in here, because if I went underneath and looped and tried to come in through here, it would be too short. So, but if I go right through here, we're fine. It fits. Well, not fits, but it's long enough. And there we are. It's just hanging out right there. It just needs to go right in the back of there. So, but for now, I'm gonna start actually, I gotta take this old temperature gauge out and then put the new one in. Alright, so we got ourselves a nice new temperature gauge. And they should have used these metal ones back in the day because the plastic ones just go to shit. All the vibrations. I'm gonna put this one back in the older truck. See, these things crack and break easy. I don't know why it doesn't have the... For a different truck. Another truck. I guess they give you this bracket for the other trucks, probably the M922, M923s, the 5 tons. This truck uses the small bracket. Ground on. Good and tight. Good and tight. Now to hook up the speedo. All right. Put her in. Good. We're going to go ahead and test it. Take it out for a little drive. Hose. Battery. Yeah, usually you want to just kind of use factory holes for factory things, but these Humvees, man, they're so versatile. You can make a new hole and put in the upgrade or whatever you want. That speedometer cable should work, even though it was too short to run the way it was originally ran. We're gonna take this stuff out of here and we're gonna take it for a little ride and see if it does work. speedo now. Nice. It really is dark in this truck. I need to put some mood lighting or something in here. Interior lighting. Want to warm her up a little bit, make sure the temp gauge is working too. I'm starting to wonder if this speedometer cable broke because the truck exceeds 60 miles an hour on the speedometer itself. Maybe it just couldn't take the speed. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe you guys know out there. Do I need to get a 90 mile an hour speedometer, because this one only goes to 60, and I know this truck does faster than 60 because I've had it up to about 70 no problem. So anyway, it looks like we resolved the issue. Temp I think is climbing up a little bit. We'll keep it running here for a little bit. It is a very cool night, so that might be throwing it off. Warming up. Squeaking the other day. gauge is warming up. Well, that's it for the small repairs on this truck for now. I am going to address a few other things, but the other thing I want to look at is my my oil pressure. It's kind of low, but I might need some fresh oil. I haven't changed the oil in this truck yet. Pretty sure that squeaking is the belt from getting radiator fluid on the other day. If you guys like the content, please like, subscribe, share. It helps out the channel a lot. And I hate saying that, but I guess it's something that every YouTube channel kind of has to say to get people to hit that little like button. I mean, you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but it helps out. I'm trying to come out with some new content. I got the time machine. And I got the second one that I'm building, so I'm going to do a video on that. We did a lot of progress with the interior on that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on working.